Hey friends, today I'll be sharing the knowledge on equivalent expressions with exponents. I'll be solving few examples and providing the solution to the rest. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. In the previous lecture, we saw how to find the exponents or the power when base is given. Let's revise. In this example, 7 raised to 2, we can write it as 7 into 7, multiplying 7 two times, which gives the value as 49, where 7 is the base and 2 is the exponent, and the expression becomes 7 into 7. Similarly, in case of 4 raised to 3, 4 is multiplied 3 times with base as 4, exponent as 3, and the value becomes 64. Now when you have to multiply or divide the expression, rule number 1 is base should always be the same. If you see here, the base is 8, here the base is 3, here the base is 4, here it's 7. So base remains same. Then comes multiplication or division. If it's multiplication, write the base same and add the exponents. Here the exponents are 3 and 3, which becomes 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Here it becomes 2 plus 2 equal to 4. And now you can find the value where 3 raised to 6 becomes 729 and 2 raised to 4 becomes 16. In case of division, keep the base as it is, where the exponents are 4 and 2, just subtract them. So it becomes 16 raised to 2, which is 256. In this case, 7 raised to, where exponents are 4 and 2, so it becomes 7 square, which is 49. The easy way to remember, when you multiply, the number always gets added with, or not added, but you can say it increases. So 2 raised to 2 becomes 4, 2 raised to 3 is 6. Similarly, when you divide, the number decreases. Increase means addition, decrease means subtraction. So multiplication means addition of the powers, and subtraction or division means subtraction of powers.